Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a good New Year, a safe New Year. And I hope Santa was good to all you guys and brought you everything you wanted, hopefully for your cars. The wife and kids got me some goodies for the car. They usually give me parts that I need for the car every year, or they get me tools or anything like that I need for the shop. So this year they got me a few pieces for the car that I was intending on replacing anyway, of course. And we'll go over that here in a second. But the whole goal tonight is to get the push rods installed back into the 302, get those put in, get them torqued down, and we're that much closer to getting ready to set the 302 back in once I find my old motor mounts, because we need the brackets that holds the mounts themselves. If I can't find them, then I got some that I can rob off of the spare 302 that I have sitting in the floor. And guys, you want to continue watching the channel. So got a lot more to do on the Red Demon. I got some exciting things to come on the 302 and the car. And I think you guys will be excited to see this stuff as I am. I know you don't know what the plan is, but I'm hoping to fill you guys in here soon on what I have planned for the Red Demon, and I believe you guys will thoroughly enjoy it. But it's about to drive me crazy right now because I have no idea what I did with those old motor mounts. I'm sure I got them somewhere, because you know I'm bad about not throwing stuff away for these little old Mustangs. I'm like a pack rat when it comes to these cars. I try to keep everything I can possibly keep, because you never know if you need to reuse it, refurbish it, trade out, you know, whatever the case may be. But we are going to go over what the wife and kids got me for Christmas, and then we're going to get started on putting these push rods in. So you guys hang tight for a second, and we'll go over that stuff and get started. All right, guys. As you can see, we got a couple boxes here. I'm sure some of you guys know what this box is and what's usually in this box right here. But this right here is what the wife and kids got me for Christmas. I was super excited to open this. It's something I've been wanting to replace in the car. And they end up getting me, of course, as you guys can see, they end up getting me some new carpet. That was very, very awesome of them to do that. I know you can't see my face, but you guys don't really care about that. Y'all want to just see what's in the box. But we got new carpet. The interior on my car is scarlet red, same as the paint. So we got new carpet that we're going to be putting in soon. That'll be just a little bit later. You know, we're going to try to get the engine and all back going, installed back into the car, running, you know, so on and so forth. But we got that for Christmas, new carpet. And we also have, to go along with that new carpet, we also have some new floor mats. Ain't that awesome? So we got new carpet and new floor mats for Christmas. I was super excited about getting that because the wife knew that I was wanting new carpet in the car, because the car actually on the passenger side is sun faded, which a lot of these Mustangs tend to do. I could have repainted it, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to put new carpet in there. So we got new carpet for Christmas, and we also got new floor mats for Christmas. So I was super excited about that, guys. That was awesome. I want to thank the wife and kids for getting me that. So now we are going to get set up and get ready to put the push rods in the 302. Alright guys, we're fixing to install the push rods back on the 302. We're going to go by firing order. We're going to get the piston up on top dead center. We're going to slide our push rods in there, and then we're going to get them torqued down to 25 foot-pounds. And then that part of the engine to be done. We are not going to install the intake or anything like that until we get it set back in the car. Once we get it set back in the car, then we'll put the intake, you know, all that good stuff right back on. Right now I want to get these installed get those torqued back down, and then the motor pretty much will be ready. So let's get started on that, and we're going to go through firing order when we install these. You remember in a couple of videos ago that we pulled these out and got them set in here, and we're going to put them back in the way they come out. So let's get started on that, guys. I've already got the hot model balancer on 0 on top dead center on number 1 cylinder. Like I said, we're going to go through the firing order. I pulled my book out just so I make sure I get the firing order right, and it is 13726548. So we'll go 1, and then we'll go 3, so on and so forth. That's how we're going to install the push rods. And like I said, we got them all laid out the way they come out of the engine. So I'm going to get started on getting those installed, and then we'll start torquing them down, and then we'll go to the next cylinder, so on and so forth. Alright guys, push rods are installed. Like I said, just go through your firing order, get the piston up on top dead center, torque the bolts down to 25 foot-pounds, so on and so forth. I need to try to locate my motor mounts. I don't know what I did with them. They're around here somewhere, but well, not the motor mounts. We got new mounts. I need to find the brackets. If I can't find them, then I'll just rob the ones off of the 302 that I got sitting over there. But that's all I got for you. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for the thumbs up. And thank you for the comments. The next video, hopefully, we'll set the 302 in the K member once I find those motor mount brackets, of course. And then we will start getting the all the accessories bolted on, the intake, valve covers, you know, all that good stuff. So guys, make sure you continue watching the channel. Still got a lot left to do, and I will catch you guys in the next one.